I start, I want to just say that I want you to know that you have a lot of choices for your insurance, right? I'm not special. There's probably hundreds, there might be thousands of agents that could come out here today that represent all the companies that I represent, that have similar training to my training, that can help you with your insurance. So, not to make myself, belittle myself, but I'm not special in that regard. Okay, there's a lot of people that can take care of you. What I want to do is I want to tell you why I want to work with you and why I hope you want to work with me. So I want to tell you who I am, and if you like me, if you feel comfortable with me, if our personalities match, if you feel comfortable with my experience, if you feel, like you can trust me, then I would like to be your insurance agent for the rest of your life. Okay, so that's a kind of a tall order. I'm not out here to sell you one policy to get out the door and be like all the other guys that come and go in your life. If you like me and you trust me, I want to work with you for the rest of your life. How does that sound? Okay, most people are like, what? Nobody ever says that. I asked you to talk about Humana. I'm not talking about Humana. I know you asked me to talk about Humana, and I brought Humana. But I don't want you to think of me as your Humana agent. Because Humana's a good company, but so's United Healthcare, and so's Blue, and so's Cigna, and Aetna, and Mutual of Omaha, and Gerber, and on and on and on. I actually represent however many companies you represent. So I represent 150 companies. You might represent 50 or 5 or 10. But I don't want you to think of me as that lady, because no matter what I sell you today, and we're going to come to a mutual agreement, what I recommend, what you feel comfortable with, and that's what you're going to buy today, hopefully. I don't want you to think of me as that lady, because it's going to change. No matter how great the policy is today, they have the best rating, they have the best return, they have the best reputation, whatever. It's not going to stay that way. And there's going to be problems. And you're going to be mad. You're going to be mad about the rate increases. The doctor goes out of the network. You're going to be mad about their claims aren't paid, or they're paid slow, or God knows what's going to happen. Guaranteed. So I'm guaranteeing you, no matter what you buy from me today, you're going to be mad at some point in the future. Pretty weird proposition, right? I'm not selling you rainbows. I'm not here to tell you I'm the best agent. I'm the only agent that can do this. I'm not here to tell you that you're going to just love whatever I sell you and we're going to have a great relationship. Pretty much I'm telling you the opposite of that, right? I'm one of many people that can do this, and there's going to be problems because I want you to have a very realistic expectation of what's going to go on here. I'm not the insurance company. I don't write the policy. I don't control their rates, their rate increases, their claims administration, none of that. I'm an agent for a variety of them. Now, I'm independent, and there's a special value in that if you understand what an independent agent is. So if somebody comes out here from Florida Blue, they can only sell you Florida Blue. It's a good product, it's a good company, but if they can only sell you that, that means that's the best plan for you, right? That's all they can sell. Any captive carrier, they come out here from Humana, and they can only sell you Humana. They have to make a square peg sometimes fit in a round hole because that's all they have. So I'm an independent agent. I represent basically who I want to represent. So I said I represent, I named off 5 carriers. So what I want to do is I don't want to sell a product. I'm not here to say why this product's great. I want to talk to you about your lifestyle. So how do you doctor? You're one of those average guys. If it's a man, you get your annual physical once every 10 years. Because the guys will laugh because that's true. Are you a woman and every time you see something you're like, I gotta get this checked out? Because that's how we do. Do you travel a lot? Are your kids all over the country and you spend, part of your time up in Illinois and you spend part of your time in New York and you got a daughter in Colorado? Are all your kids here? How do you doctor? Do you have a lot of specialists? There's a lot of things I want to talk to you about. Number one being your budget. What can you afford? Because everybody would like to drive a Lexus to work. But we can all get to work and afford. I get to work nicely and afford. Doesn't necessarily have leather seats and heated seats and power windows, but it'll get you there. So we're going to talk about your budget, which one of these products you're most comfortable paying for every month for the rest of your life.